Grace, I need you to read something.
Of course. What is it?
It's my first draft of the client proposal, the one for the international account, the one that's due in 3 weeks and will determine whether the client signs a $2 million contract with Harrison and Cole.
Jack.
I know.
Hey, Stellar Tech Team. So excited to be working with you guys. We're going to make some awesome stuff happen together. Our product is literally the best thing for what you need. Hit us up if you have questions. Cheers, Jack.
It's bad, isn't it?
Jack, this reads like a text message to a friend who also happens to be a billion-dollar technology company.
I know.
I sat down to write it and everything just came out casual. I couldn't figure out how to make it sound professional. I know what I want to say, I just don't know how to say it formally. Purposeful. Then this is exactly what episode 23 is for. Welcome, everyone, to the Speak Bench. I'm Grace. Jack has a proposal to write. We are going to write it together, and you are going to learn formal English writing along the way. Let's go. Please, save my career. First, let's understand the 5 key differences between formal and informal English. Once you understand these, the transformation becomes much easier. Difference 1. Contractions. Informal English uses contractions constantly. I'm, you're, we're, don't, can't, won't. Formal English avoids them. I am, you are, we are, do not, cannot, will not.
I wrote gonna, as in going to.
Gonna is not in any formal document anywhere in the world. We will fix this. Difference 2. Vocabulary level. Informal English uses simple, everyday words. Get, use, want, help, big. Formal English upgrades these. Obtain instead of get, utilize instead of use, require instead of want or need, assist instead of help, significant instead of big. Obtain, utilize, require, assist, significant. Got it. Difference 3. Personal language. Informal English is personal and direct. I think, I feel, we're super excited. Formal English is more objective and measured. It is our assessment that we are pleased to present, the data suggests. We're gonna make some awesome stuff happen together, which is both a contraction and extremely personal. Difference 4. Sentence structure. Informal English uses short sentences. We're the best. You'll love it. Formal English uses longer, more complex sentences with subordinate clauses. We are confident that our solution will address your specific requirements as evidenced by our track record with similar clients in your sector. That's a lot more words. But it sounds authoritative. It sounds considered. It shows you've thought carefully rather than just reacting. Difference 5. Tone. Informal is warm, casual, friendly. Formal is respectful, measured, professional. You can still be warm in formal writing, but through structure and word choice, not through exclamation marks and slang. I used 3 exclamation marks in 2 sentences. 1 exclamation mark per document maximum, and only if absolutely necessary. Now, let's rewrite your proposal, line by line.
Line by line.
Okay, your opening. Hey, Stellar Tech Team, so excited to be working with you guys. The formal version, Dear Stellar Tech Leadership Team, we are delighted to present this proposal for your consideration. Hey becomes dear, so excited becomes we are delighted, working with you guys becomes for your consideration. And dear is always followed by a specific title or name if you know it. Dear Mr. Chen, Dear Ms. Rodriguez. If you don't know, Dear Sir or Madam, or Dear Stellar Tech Readership Team as we've used here. Next line. Our product is literally the best thing for what you need. Literally disappears entirely. Never use literally in formal writing. The formal version, our platform has been specifically developed to address the operational challenges faced by organizations in your sector. That sounds like a different company wrote it. That is the goal. The same confidence expressed with precision and professionalism. Next, we're gonna make some awesome stuff happen together. We're gonna make some awesome stuff happen together. I know. We are committed to delivering measurable outcomes that align with Stellar Tech's strategic objectives. Full stop. Committed to delivering measurable outcomes. That sounds like something a real company says, in real meetings to real clients. Because it is. You are committed to delivering measurable outcomes. We're just giving that commitment the language it deserves. My closing, hit us up if you have questions. Should you require any further information or wish to discuss any aspect of this proposal, please do not hesitate to contact us. We look forward to the opportunity to explore this further with you. Genuinely moved. Grace, that closing is... I'm actually proud of that closing. That sounds like Harrison and Cole. That is Harrison and Cole. And it's also you, Jack. It's still your voice, just in its most professional form. Now, let's talk about email language specifically, because emails are shorter than proposals, but the formal principles apply. Common informal email openings. Hey, hi there, what's up, just checking in. Formal versions. I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to follow up on. I am reaching out regarding. And informal closings. Thanks, cheers, talk soon, take care. Formal closings. Kind regards. Yours sincerely when you know the name. Yours faithfully when you don't know the name. Best regards. Professional but slightly warmer. When do I use yours sincerely versus yours faithfully? British English rule. If you opened with a name, Dear Mr. Chen, you close with yours sincerely. If you opened without a name, Dear Sir or Madam, you close with yours faithfully. American English is less strict. Kind regards or best regards work in most situations. I'll use kind regards for the proposal closing. Another key email phrase, as per our previous conversation, as per my last email. This means in accordance with or referring back to something already discussed. I've seen as per my last email used in a way that sounds slightly passive-aggressive. Laughing, context-dependent. In a purely factual email, neutral. In a frustrated follow-up, yes, it can carry an edge. Use it carefully. Now, passive voice. Formal writing uses passive voice more than informal writing, and this is important to understand.
Gemini, remind me? Active voice, I reviewed the document. The subject does the action. Passive voice, the document was reviewed. The action happens to the subject. The person doing it disappears. Why do formal documents prefer passive? Because it sounds more objective. It removes personal responsibility from statements, which is sometimes professional. Not, I made a mistake, but an error was identified. Not, I will deliver this by Friday, but this will be delivered by Friday. I see. So it's less personal and more institutional? Exactly. Institutional is a good word. Government documents, legal documents, academic papers, formal proposals all use passive voice heavily. It signals objectivity and professionalism. So instead of, we will give you monthly reports, the formal version is, monthly reports will be provided to your team on a regular basis. The action, providing reports, is what matters, not who is doing it. Error lab. Jack, I've pulled 3 of your worst lines from the draft. Let's fix them properly. Okay, I'm ready. Line 1. Our stuff is literally amazing and you guys will love it. Our solutions have consistently delivered exceptional results, as evidenced by our client testimonials and performance metrics. Approving. You eliminated literally, you guys, and amazing, all informal words, and you replaced them with objective evidence, testimonials, and metrics. Much stronger. Line 2. We think this is going to be a great fit for you. It is our assessment that this solution represents a strong strategic alignment with Stellar Tech's stated objectives. It is our assessment, objective, strong strategic alignment, collocations from episode 19, stated objectives, formal and precise. That is level 4 formal English right there. I'm using collocations and formal register at the same time.
Grace, this is growth. This is absolute growth. Error 3, the closing. Remembering, hit us up if you have any questions. Upgrading, should you wish to discuss any element of this proposal in further detail, please do not hesitate to contact us at your earliest convenience. At your earliest convenience. That phrase is doing so much work. It sounds so professional. It says, when you're ready, we're here, without any pressure. And that is what formal English does at its best. It communicates consideration and respect through every word choice. Rapid fire, formal or informal, and if informal, give me the formal upgrade. Go. I'm writing to let you know about the meeting. Formal enough, but upgrade, I am writing to inform you of the upcoming meeting. Hey, can you send me that file? Informal. Formal, could you please forward the relevant documentation at your earliest convenience? We think this will help you a lot. Informal, we are confident this solution will significantly benefit your operations. Sorry for the late reply. Slightly informal. Formal, I apologize for the delay in responding to your correspondence. Thanks for your time. Slightly casual. Formal, thank you for your time and consideration. Or, I appreciate your time in reviewing this proposal. Approving, 5 for 5. Your formal register is completely transformed from that first draft. Listeners, if you've ever had to write something formal in English and felt the panic Jack felt this morning, I hope today helped. The rules are learnable, and once you know them, formal writing actually becomes easier because you have a clear template. If today helped, please like and subscribe to the Speak Bench. And the challenge this week, rewrite this informal sentence in formal English. Hey, just wanted to check in about our meeting. Can we move it? Comment your formal version below. We will give you feedback on every single one. Grace, I need to tell you something. What? I sent the first version of the formal proposal this afternoon after we worked on it, and 20 minutes ago, Stellar Tech responded. Already? What did they say? They said, Dear Jack, thank you for the comprehensive and well-structured proposal. We are impressed with the clarity of your approach and would like to arrange a call to discuss next steps. Jack! They called it comprehensive and well-structured. 2 weeks ago, I called our product literally the best thing. And now you write comprehensive and well-structured proposals that impress international clients. The call is next week, and listeners, episode 24, we're going to talk about English humor and sarcasm, because the Stellar Tech CEO is apparently known for his dry sense of humor, and Jack needs to be ready. Episode 24, English humor and sarcasm, how to understand it, how to respond, and how to use it without accidentally offending everyone in the room. I'm Jack, proposal writer, client impressor, Max's person, Luna's reluctant acquaintance, from the Speak Bench, where real conversations meet real English. And I'm Grace. See you in episode 24, everyone. Goodbye. Goodbye. And remember, formal English isn't a different you, it's your best self in writing.